Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create some code that finds image files on a URL. So first of all we're going to create a function called scan images, and then we're going to create a variable called URL and assign it to input. Then simply tell the user what to do, enter URL, which is going to be HTTPS, etc. Okay, then what we're going to do is we need to import the RE module, and we also need to import the requests module. You will have to download the requests module here using pip. The import the RE, that's already on board with Python, that's the Regex module. Okay, so once you've imported the request module, you just go over here and create a variable called response, and we assign it to requests.get URL. Right, okay, so then we'll create another variable called image URLs, and this is where we do the regex. So we do re.find all, and then this is where the regex comes in here. So that's going to be img for image, and be very careful when you're doing this so you don't get it wrong. Plus src factor src source, and then we're going to do and plus whoops, it's wrong. Okay, actually I made a little bit of a mistake there. That should be plus. Okay, then it's going to be response.text. We just have a little scan over that, make sure that everything looks okay there, except for that. Okay, so that's regex looking alright at the moment. We'll certainly find out when we actually go to run it. Okay. Okay. Right, we're just going to come down to here. We're going to do the for loop for img URL in image URLs. And what we're going to do is we're going to print here okay, that's going to be img URL. This is going to be then we call it, which is going to be scan images. Okay, let me just check out that regex there. Okay, I'm just going to replace this with a better version, hopefully. Let's just paste that in there. Okay, that's a better version. And, let's just sort this out. Okay, that's better. Print img URL. Right, okay, let's just save that. Let's just run the program to find a URL. Hit enter. Okay, and let me just zoom out a little bit. Okay, it's got me all those image files, JPEGs, PNGs, etc. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.